Here we're going to write an inequality for this graph below. First off, I can tell this is a absolute value graph. It looks like it's up around the point around 14. I'd call that point 0.14. So therefore, if you take your normal absolute value, which is y equals square absolute value of x, and it's just vertically shifted up 14, that would be your graph right there, right? And then because we're shading underneath of it, we know the y is less than or equal to, and it looks like to me, I'm assuming this is a solid line. It's kind of hard to tell. If it was a dotted or dashed line, it would have no bar there. Okay? So we're shading underneath of it. That's why its y is less than those values. Or you can go to your calculator also, type it in, make sure you hit the delete button to back up so you can type in the y less than, and you can graph it. Make sure you use your absolute value sign from this button right here, and you can type it in to test it out. You can do the same thing here. Looks like to me that this one is at the point 0.6. It's a vertical shift up, but it's reflected down. That's why you see this negative in front of it and this +6. And to me, it's shaded under it, so it's going to be a y less than or equal to that negative x plus 6 to graph that particular one too. And you can once again go to the calculator like we just did to test it out to see if that graph does look very similar, and it does.